Iodine is best sourced, one of the best sources is sea vegetables. Obviously vegetables from the sea, but they're fantastic, nutritious foods that are very low in calories. Iodine is a really important element. It's actually not a vitamin or a mineral, although it's often confused as being either. It's a chemical element, and it's important for thyroid health and keeping your thyroid functioning at optimal levels. Iodine is best sourced, one of the best sources is sea vegetables, which are fantastic, obviously vegetables from the sea, but they're fantastic, nutritious foods that are very low in calories. Nowadays they're easy to find in either Asian markets or the Asian section of health food stores. I know that the recommended daily amount for iodine is 150 micrograms a day, and in just 1 gram of certain sea vegetables, including kombu and kelp, you get 3 times the recommended daily amount in just 1 gram. So what you want to do with the sea vegetables, again, they're pretty inexpensive. You can keep them at home. They come dried. Soak them first, right before you use them for maybe an hour or two just to soften them up, and then you can cook with them. Iodine is not destroyed by heat, so you can definitely cook with it, throw it in stir fries, throw it in soup, throw it on salads. It's absolutely delicious and will add an interesting flavor to your dishes.